Hello guys, thanks for watching this video. I'm actually going to tell you guys what the problem is on the 3DS and 3DS XL when you get in the popping sound, like when you turn it on and as soon as you turn it on it pops and it goes right off. I had the problem with this one right here, the 3DS XL, and I was managed to fix it after looking for so many problems, after searching, and I couldn't find nothing and I had to do it myself. I searched until I actually find the problem. So the problem is not the top LCD. I tried doing that a bunch of times and it didn't work. I kept getting the same problem, the same popping sound and going off. So this is what you actually have to replace on your system. You see this cable right here? This is the cable that gives you the sound, as you can see right here. You connect this, and this goes connected to the top LCD. Okay, so this, I'm sorry, this right here connects on the top of your LCD right here. For the ones that have opened it before, they know. Okay, so this cable is the one that it's doing the problem, that making the problem. This right here, you have to replace all this. As soon as you replace this, you will be able to play your system again. If you guys want me to upload a video to how to open it and how to do it, I can do it for you guys. Go ahead and subscribe below. I will be uploading some more videos. If you guys want me to upload videos of any other stuff, iPhones, iPods, 3DS, iPads, whatever, 3DS, DSi, 3D, Nintendo DS, regular light, go ahead and comment below and let me know what you guys want me to make a video of and how to do it. Okay, so once again, this is the problem you're having. This is your ribbon cable that you have to replace when you're having the popping sound and going right off on your 3DS or 3DS XL. Okay guys, thank you very much.